Houston's unique climate poses a set of challenges for homeowners, particularly when it comes to the durability and longevity of windows. With high humidity, intense heat, heavy rain, and occasional hurricanes, Houston's weather conditions demand special attention to window selection, maintenance, and timely replacement. Understanding how climate impacts your windows can help you make informed decisions to protect your home and ensure long-term energy efficiency and security. How Houston's climate affects window durability. High heat and UV exposure. Houston experiences long summers with average temperatures often exceeding 90 degrees Fahrenheit, along with extreme heat waves that push thermometers even higher. Prolonged exposure to intense sunlight and ultraviolet (UV) radiation can cause window materials, particularly vinyl and wood, to deteriorate over time. UV rays can fade window frames, weaken seals, and degrade caulking, leading to air leaks and reduced energy efficiency. Glass itself can develop micro cracks or lose its insulating properties if it lacks UV-resistant coatings. High humidity and moisture damage. Houston's high humidity levels can have a profound impact on windows, particularly wooden frames, which are prone to warping, swelling, and rotting. Excess moisture can also lead to mold and mildew buildup around window sills and seals, compromising both indoor air quality and structural integrity. Condensation on window panes is another common issue in humid climates, potentially leading to water damage if not addressed properly. Heavy rainfall and storms. Houston is no stranger to torrential downpours, especially during hurricane season. Heavy rain and frequent storms put windows to the test, exposing them to high wind pressures and excessive moisture. Poorly sealed or aging windows may allow water infiltration, leading to leaks, water damage, and even interior mold growth. Impact-resistant or storm-rated windows are highly recommended to withstand extreme weather conditions. Hurricane and extreme wind exposure. Hurricanes and tropical storms bring intense winds and flying debris that can easily shatter unprotected windows. Standard glass windows may not hold up against the powerful gusts experienced during storms, increasing the risk of structural damage. Many homeowners in Houston opt for hurricane-rated or impact-resistant windows, which provide extra protection and help prevent costly damage in the event of extreme weather. Signs your windows need replacement. Given Houston's challenging climate, it is crucial to monitor the condition of your windows and replace them when necessary. Here are some signs that indicate your windows may need to be replaced. Drafts and air leaks. If you feel noticeable drafts even when windows are closed, it means the seals have deteriorated, affecting energy efficiency. Condensation between glass panes. Fogging or moisture buildup inside double-pane windows suggests seal failure, reducing insulation effectiveness. Difficult operation. If your windows stick, refuse to close properly, or feel loose, structural issues may be at play. Visible damage or rot, warping, cracks, or rotting around the frame are clear indicators of deterioration. Increased energy bills. Poor insulation due to damaged windows can lead to higher heating and cooling costs. Choosing the right windows for Houston's climate. To maximize durability and performance in Houston's weather conditions, consider the following window options. Impact-resistant windows. Designed to withstand strong winds and flying debris, these windows provide excellent storm protection. Low-E glass windows. Coated with a special layer that reflects heat and UV rays, low-E glass improves energy efficiency and prevents fading of furniture and flooring. Vinyl or aluminum frames. These materials resist warping and moisture damage better than traditional wood frames. Double or triple pane windows. Insulated glass helps regulate indoor temperatures and reduces outside noise. The benefits of timely window replacement. Investing in high-quality, durable windows not only enhances home safety but also provides a range of benefits, including lower energy costs. Energy-efficient windows reduce heat transfer, leading to lower cooling expenses. Improved indoor comfort. Better insulation helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures and reduces humidity issues. Increased home value. Upgraded windows enhance curb appeal and add to property value. Enhanced safety and security. Impact-resistant glass and sturdy frames offer protection against break-ins and extreme weather events. Final thought. Houston's climate presents unique challenges for homeowners when it comes to window durability and maintenance. With extreme heat, humidity, heavy rains, and the risk of hurricanes, selecting the right windows and replacing them when necessary is essential for energy efficiency, comfort, and protection. If your windows show signs of wear and tear, consider upgrading to weather-resistant, energy-efficient options to safeguard your home against Houston's unpredictable weather conditions. Investing in high-quality windows today can save you money, enhance your home's value, and provide peace of mind for years to come.